Hi there, and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a drink that'll definitely spice up your life called a Foster's Fire. We'll be using our habanero craft puree and Moscow Mule craft puree. So when you're ready, let's get started. This drink is extremely easy to make. We'll just be adding about 4 drops of our habanero craft puree and 1 pump of our Moscow Mule craft puree and pouring in our Foster's beer. And I'm just gonna garnish it off with a fresh habanero here. And there you have it, a Foster's Fire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our Foster's Fire recipe. If you do decide to make this at home, be sure to share some pictures with us on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, to stay up to date with everything happening in the Amoretti world, subscribe to our newsletter below. And never miss a new recipe by subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell. Bye, we'll see you next time. Cheers.